Hello and welcome back. Today I want to teach you how to change the name of variable type using Typedef. I am still using C programming language, so I'll simply include the library. Also, I want my program to know that anytime that I type int, then it should be changed to another name. So I want my program to be using another name apart from int, but bearing the same use as int. So what I'm going to do is simply this. I'm going to type def, then I type int, then I put the name that I want to use. So I want to give this another name. I want to call it number. Then I finish that. So after that, I'll simply declare my main function, launch my main function, which is int main. Then I open my braces. Now inside the braces, I'll be declaring some local variables, just some two variables. This program, I just wanted to calculate the sum of two numbers. So I'll be declaring some two variables. I'll call the first one number A. Then I'll call the second one number B, like that. Now I simply want the user to enter these numbers themselves. So what I'll be doing is I'll give the user that opportunity. So to make it user friendly, I'll use printf tool to tell the user to enter those two numbers. So I'll tell the user enter the first number. I want to scan the number entered by the user, so I'll use scanf. So I'll be scanning the number, and because it's an integer, I'll be referring to it as %d. Then I put my comma, and I also use an ampersand to point to the compiler what that %d is. And that %d is A. So I'll simply use ampersand, then I put A. So I also terminate that line of code. Then I will copy paste this to avoid a lot of typing. So I just copy paste all of this, edit this a bit so this becomes second number. Then here I'll be using ampersand B because I'll be pointing to the compiler that the second number that has been scanned is actually the variable B. I would have declared a third variable called sum, but I want to declare it down here, so I'll just call it number. So number sum, then I initialize it to A plus B, like that. Then I will want to print the outcome, the output of this program. So I'll use printf, like that. Then I say A, so I will want it to appear as A plus B is equals to sum. So I'll simply put %d plus %d is equals to %d. Then I need to point out to the compiler what each of those %d's are. So the first %d is A, the second %d is B, the third %d is actually sum. Then I will have to return back the program to the operating system if at all this program has been executed successfully. So I'll return 0. Now my program is done. I'll simply run it so that we see how it operates. So it is telling me to enter the first number. I'll just put 8. Then the second number I'll put 4. Now all of us know that 8 plus 4 is 12. So if I press enter, it tells me that 8 plus 4 is 12, and that is exactly what we want. So this was just meant to explain to anyone who wants to learn, who is learning programming, that typedef is just a way of changing the name of a variable type, so that I don't need to be each time I'm declaring, I don't need to be saying int. So I can use something that I understand. And that was the main purpose of this video. So until next time, bye.